Boardwalk Velocity provides some useful utilities, some that we have used in the past sessions. In this session, we will explore the usage of the options available to us. For this session, we will be using our Acme Undertaking workbook that is in design mode. Navigate to the Boardwalk Velocity menu tab and click on the Utilities menu to see all the options available. The first option in the Utilities menu is the Set User Mode. This option allows the template to be changed from design mode to user mode, thus allowing the development team to test the template before publishing it. The Reset template will blank out the template. That is, all cuboids are unlinked, all traces of configuration are removed, all custom macro code is removed, thus rendering the template to an unconfigured mode. Use this option with caution. This unconfigured template may then be used to configure another process. Remove broken names checks and removes any unresolved range names that are resulting in #ref from the workbook. It is always a good practice to do this. Sometimes we, by mistake, may access the velocity ribbon while editing a cell. In this situation, the velocity ribbon options may not be available. Clicking on Refresh Ribbon after exiting the cell edit mode will make the velocity options available again. To publish our workbook to the server, we use this option. If you recall, we have already used the Publish EUC or System template while publishing our workbooks after adding our own configurations. Display code changes by date is typically used by the Velocity engineering team to track fixes and/or enhancements being made to the workbook code. Velocity tracks the version of the template by storing that information on the backend database. Get EUC or System template version allows us to query the backend database to get the version of the template on the server. When a workbook is published, the publishing process automatically increments the version of the current template before completing the publication. This option, Set EUC or System template version, enables the development team to manually align the server version with the existing workbook version. The Get VAE client version is used to get the version of the installed Velocity add-in. While working with Velocity, all sheets are protected, even in the design mode. Therefore, at times there may be a need to unprotect the sheets. They unprotect all sheets. Option unprotects all the sheets in the workbook, and remember that this option is only available in the design mode. The next 6 options are currently not available and are just placeholders for future. The logout option forces a manual logout. To interact with the server, one will need to provide the login credentials. This concludes our session on Velocity utilities.